Picture this. You're looking out an airplane window, and below you, the turquoise waters of the Persian Gulf stretch out endlessly under the morning sun. Then, something strange starts to appear. An island, unlike anything you've ever seen. Mountains glowing in red, orange, yellow, and purple. Coastal roads curling around dramatic cliffs. Fishing boats drifting on a calm sea. Villages that seem to blend right into the colors of the earth. As the plane descends, it doesn't feel like arriving somewhere. It feels like discovering a hidden masterpiece, one shaped by millions of years of nature. Welcome to Hormuz Island. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this tiny island in Iran is being called one of the most colorful places on Earth. Leaving the airport behind, the journey to Hormuz becomes part of the adventure itself. From the mainland port, ferries cross the calm blue waters of the Persian Gulf. And with every passing minute, the island's colorful hills grow bigger on the horizon, reds, yellows, and oranges standing out against the deep blue sea, long before you even reach the shore. Stepping off the ferry, the noise of the city disappears. Small fishing boats rest along the harbor. Fishermen prepare their nets for the next trip. Shopkeepers greet visitors with easy, warm smiles. Life here moves slower, shaped by the rhythm of the sea. Fishing, small businesses, handicrafts, tourism. This is how island families make their living. We start with a drive along Hormuz's coastal road. No traffic, no rush, just volcanic cliffs, colorful mountains, and quiet beaches at every turn. And then the mountains appear. Layers of naturally colored rock, shaped over millions of years, create a landscape that looks almost impossible. Red, orange, yellow, white, purple, all of it completely natural, painted by minerals in the soil, not by hand. Walking through it feels like stepping onto another planet. Along the route, local artists sell handcrafted souvenirs and paintings inspired by these very colors, a small but powerful reflection of the culture built around this land. As the sun moves lower and the sea breeze rolls in, one thing becomes obvious. Hormuz isn't just beautiful, it's alive, with tradition, hospitality, and a way of life shaped entirely by nature. Now we reach one of the island's most iconic spots, Red Beach. Iron-rich mineral deposits stain parts of the shoreline a deep red, and against the turquoise water, it creates one of the most striking coastal scenes anywhere in the region. From there, the coastal road leads to the Portuguese Fort, built in the early 1500s, back when Portuguese forces controlled key trade routes through the Persian Gulf. Stone walls, old watchtowers, quiet courtyards. Standing here, it's easy to imagine the ships that once anchored offshore and the merchants who passed through these waters centuries ago. Beyond the history, the island's small villages show everyday life. Fishermen return with the day's catch, families in local cafes, shops full of handmade crafts, textiles, and seashell art, plus fresh seafood and traditional Persian dishes shaped by generations of coastal living. As evening comes, golden light spreads across the hills. Boats rock gently in the harbor. No skyscrapers, no crowds, just waves, warm people, and a landscape unlike anywhere else. The deeper we go, the more Hormuz reveals why photographers and geologists travel here from all over the world. Valleys, cliffs, rock formations shaped over millions of years. Every road leads to another view where the Gulf meets these impossibly colorful hills, quiet caves, dramatic outcrops, mineral-rich landscapes that seem to shift color depending on the light. Local guides share stories about the land, while artists keep creating work inspired by it. And daily life carries on exactly as it always has. Boats leaving before sunrise, kids playing in the streets, neighbors gathering in the cool of the evening. Tourism has brought new opportunities here. Goose houses, cafes, guided tours. But Hormuz has held on to its traditional character. That's rare, and that's exactly what makes it special. As our journey ends, we return to the coast one last time, watching the sun disappear into the Persian Gulf. The mountains glow gold. The boats sway gently. The breeze carries the sound of waves onto the shore. There's no rush here. Life follows the sea, and every moment asks you to slow down. Hormuz isn't just its rainbow mountains or its red beach. It's a place where geology, history, hospitality, and everyday tradition all exist together, quietly, and without needing an audience. As the stars come out and the ferry pulls away, one thought stays with you. If a place this extraordinary can exist in one small corner of the Persian Gulf, where will your next adventure take you? Thanks for watching.